morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have really exciting news. I am going to be making a delicious and healthy kale smoothie. So I'm going to work out first, then I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Okay, so I just finished my workout and I am ready to make my kale shake. I know this looks really funny in my room, but I love the lighting, so I'm going to do it in my room. Plus, my mom is home with me and she's watching TV, so I don't want to interrupt her with all the noise. So here we go. I have a blender and all my ingredients. You can use any blender for this. I know the Vitamix is an awesome blender, which I plan on getting, but like I said, you could use any blender. This is an Oster blender, and I'm going to be using this today to make my smoothie. So first I put in a frozen banana. Then I put in my organic frozen kale. I like freezing it so it tastes better and it's nice and cold. And then I use organic coconut milk, vanilla flavor. You can use any nut milk you want, but I love this one. I go back and forth. I use this or I use almond milk. So I do a cup of this. And I also add a teaspoon of my organic turmeric powder. Now you don't want to put a lot of this because it doesn't taste good if you put a lot. So I just put a small teaspoon. I love turmeric. I take it every day. It's so good for you. It's so healthy. I'll do a video next on the benefits of taking turmeric. You could also throw in a frozen avocado, but I'm just going to do it like this. You have to make sure you blend this a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to add my Sun Warrior protein powder. This is it, vanilla flavor. I love this protein powder because it's like super clean, doesn't have anything in it, and it has 0 grams of sugar. So I'll add 1 scoop of that. And I'm going to blend it again. Okay, so that's it. And here's the final results. So this will be my first meal of the day because I fast every day for like 16 hours. I do intermittent fasting. So I break my fast always with a protein drink. So yeah, this is it. It's creamy, it's light, it's super healthy, and so you guys should try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!